So hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you go ahead and transfer files from your PC to your phone or mobile this 2023. So this is very easy guys. So if you are struggling or you don't want to go ahead and plug your phone manually on your PC or laptop or device and you want it to be instantly transferred via internet, which is much faster. So you can do this and input this website, sharedraft.io. So it will go ahead and bring you to this page. And once you are here, this is you. So all you need to do here, guys, is go over to your phone. So I'm going over to my phone right now. So just input the sharedraft.io on your browser. Any browser will do. Just make sure you are connected on the same Wi-Fi or same internet or network. So all you need to do here is just go ahead and on your phone, you just have to go ahead and select you here, the charming cat. It will be displayed. So just go over and select that on your phone and just go ahead and choose what file you want to transfer. So for example, I went ahead and sent a random photo. So let's go over and send that to confirm it. And all you need to do is save. Click on save on this one and it will go ahead and transfer it instantly. So this is the file that I went ahead and transferred, and there. So there guys, that is how you can basically and easily transfer files from your PC to your phone, or your phone to your PC, vice versa. So vice versa, if you want to go ahead and do that, so just go ahead, make sure to go ahead and select that certain user, and then just go ahead and go over to documents, and let's go ahead and choose a random picture right here. So let's go ahead and send that photo or a different one. So let's go ahead and try this. So all you have to do is click on send, and all you need to do is accept that on your phone. So just the same process guys, and there. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.